This tutorial will demonstrate in detail the battery assembly process for the ESP32 series square shell development boards. All models listed above can follow the same procedure. Before starting the assembly, make sure all the following components are ready. Note: the above are the standard battery specifications included with the kit. If you source the battery yourself, its dimensions must not exceed thickness 10 mm, width 30 mm, length 30 mm. First, remove the 4 screws on the back cover and detach the screen. Then place the battery into the bottom of the rear housing. Next, place the PC insulating sheet on top of the battery to separate the battery from the PCB. Then insert the battery connector into the corresponding socket on the main board. After that, fit the speaker into its designated position, attach the front cover, and tighten the screws to finish battery assembly. We have also increased the maximum audio output volume of the device. It is now at the maximum volume level.